Welcome back, you guys, to Living Your Life R&R. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make this delicious quiche.
The first thing you're going to do is poke holes into a ready-made pie crust. This will allow the pie crust to bake underneath and be done at the bottom. So now you will go ahead and put it in the oven at 375 for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I have red onions, green onions, I have bacon, sausage, 6 eggs because I'm gonna make 2 quiche. I have chopped ham, I have cheese, cheddar cheese, and Gouda cheese, half and half, heavy whipping cream. Okay, in order to make this, I'm gonna start out with cracking my 6 eggs. Off camera, I added 1 cup of half and half milk and heavy cream, and I did a pinch of salt only. And so now I am going to whip my eggs until they're completely whipped. Now that I have whipped my eggs completely, I'm gonna start with putting my cheese down in the pan first. It doesn't matter what order you put it in. It all depends on you. So I'm just gonna do my cheese.
Off camera, we cooked this sausage and bacon. And now you're gonna pour your milk ingredient in. Okay. Put a little bit more cheese.
And now you're gonna bake at 375 for 40 minutes.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow us on all these platforms and email us for content ideas or collaborations. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more with Living Your Life R&R. Bye!